While there are a million ways to camp and as many tools for the job, there is a solid case to be made for keeping things simple with the classic camp hatchet. There are many camping hatchets to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best camping hatchets from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Fiskars Norden Hatchet. Fiskars usually shows up in our best budget hatchet category because they're known for making affordable tools destined for big box stores. The Fiskars Norden N7 is a traditional hatchet that features some modern amenities that still maintain its heritage, but are updated to keep it swinging for the long haul. At 14 inches, the N7 is the smallest in the Norden lineup, which includes a chopping axe and splitting axe. The N7 features a hickory handle with fibercomp overstrike protection. This unbreakable protective sleeve is made from the same material found in Fiskars X series of cutting tools and is reminiscent of the leather collars that have been traditionally used to keep the handle from getting damaged. The N7's carbon steel head has been double hardened and precision ground to allow it to stay sharper longer. Number 2. Gerber Pack Hatchet. While likely not the hatchet you'd want to use to split an entire cord of wood, the Gerber Pack Hatchet makes a compelling case for itself when it comes to light-duty work far from the trailhead. With a full tang build, we had no qualms truly swinging this tool right off the bat to test its chops. We were pleased to see that Gerber included finger grooves in the over-molded handle to allow for choking up on the hatchet, something that smaller tools like this excel at. With this, we were able to produce feather sticks with ease. At 1 pound, 8.5 ounces, this isn't the heftiest hatchet on our list, but we found it to generate enough swing weight to cleave small limbs and produce kindling for whipping up a quick campfire. The rubber grip felt confidence-inspiring even for damp hands. This modern tool compares well with the Holzbruch Joniker, and while that hatchet is better at splitting and chopping, we found the Gerber excelled at fine work. Number 3. Estwing Sportsman's Axe Hatchet. If you are in the market for an American-made hatchet for smaller jobs around camp or the garden, consider the Estwing Sportsman's Axe. Coming in both 12 and 14-inch varieties, both lightweight, this is a great hatchet to have around if you don't plan on putting it through consistently heavy use. The head and handle of this axe are forged in one piece. Given this unique construction, the Sportsman is exceedingly comfortable to handle and provides solid balance when in use. The leather grip is both beautiful to look at and functional to use. The 2.75-inch cutting edge is plenty to handle the lighter use tasks for which it was designed. Think chopping green wood for shelters or woodworking, splitting small pieces of dead wood, and stripping bark. Number 4. Adler Rhineland Hatchet. When it comes to purchasing tools, the most beautiful option might not be the most functional. Still, it's hard not to acknowledge the classic good looks of the Adler Rhineland hatchet. Thankfully, this camping hatchet boasts incredible durability and ease of use as well. While a bit more expensive than some competitors, the Adler Rhineland hatchet backs up its price point in both function and fashion. The wooden handle was designed with ergonomics in mind, making it comfortable and safe to hold and use. The axe head itself is a large curved blade, allowing users to maximize contact points on the logs they are splitting. The sharp and strong steel blade, in conjunction with the incredibly well-crafted wooden handle, will eliminate any concerns about strength and durability after you swing it for the first time. Number 5. CRKT Chogan Hatchet. Small but effective, the CRKT Chogan Hatchet is one of the best hatchets you could have around the campground. Both practical and tactical, the Chogan is equally effective in breaking up kindling as it is hammering intense stakes. Made from a solid piece of manganese phosphate-coated 1055 carbon steel and featuring a glass-reinforced nylon handle, the Chogan hatchet can handle your camp tasks in any weather condition, year-round. The GRN handle is resistant to changes in temperatures and weather and absorbs the shock you get from chopping so it doesn't transfer to your hand and arm. At 13.19 long and weighing only 1 pound, 5 ounces, the Chogan might not be your first choice when it comes to chopping larger limbs. But when it comes to keeping the fire roaring back at camp, it'll have no problem splitting those chopped limbs. Suited for both wet or dry wood, this hatchet can easily chop the wet stuff and just as easily split the dry. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know the product price, please check my video description. Looking for any queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.